Tired of explaining those mysterious bank transactions? Let's unlock the secret to enjoying Onlyfans with gift cards, keeping your privacy intact. First, head over to paxful.com. This is where you'll trade your gift card for Bitcoin. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Make sure to verify it for smooth transactions. Next, click Buy Bitcoin. In the payment method search bar, type in the specific gift card you have, for example, Amazon, Visa, or whatever it may be. Select the correct one from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of sellers willing to trade Bitcoin for your gift card. Pay close attention to their reputation, trade limits, and the price they are offering. A higher reputation usually means a safer trade. Select an offer that looks good and carefully read the seller's terms and conditions. This is crucial. They might have specific instructions on how to redeem the gift card. Initiate the trade. Now, to get a Bitcoin wallet, head over to Coinbase and create your account. Now, head over to Onlyfans and select the crypto or Bitcoin option as your preferred payment method. Paste the address from Coinbase for Bitcoin. And voila, you've successfully used a gift card to pay for Onlyfans, maintaining your privacy and enjoying your content discreetly.